The next thing I want to talk about now is not really related to or the grid system, I should say, but it is important when it comes to responsive design and thinking about your layout. And what it is or what I want to go over is the responsive utility classes. And what the responsive utility classes do is they hide and show content on your screen depending on which device you choose, or I should say which device you style for. And you don't have to type any of this stuff out. This is just kind of helping me help you. Anyway, there's 4 of them, or actually there's only 2 of them. There's your visible class, and it works on all screen sizes. That's why I said 4, but there's actually only 2. And this means that your content will only be visible on that screen size. And the other one is hidden. So your content will only be hidden on that screen size. And I can give you a quick example. First, we'll do the visible. I'm going to come down here, and why don't I just put, I don't know, how about an H1 tag? And I'll give it a class of visible, I can't spell today, visible dash extra small. So that means this H1 and the content I put here will only be visible on extra small screens. I'm going to come over here and save it, and I refresh. See that you don't see anything because I'm not on the extra small screen. And when I go down to extra small, you'll see that it shows up. Anything larger, it becomes hidden automatically. So when you prefix this class with visible, that means it's only going to be visible on that screen size. I'll do 4 more, and I'll do one for small, medium, and large. So extra small screens, this one's going to be just small screens like your tablets. Your medium-sized screens will be, some of your older computers and laptops have that old screen resolution. Maybe if you work somewhere where they still use like Windows 7 or something, it'd be more common. But your newer screens will take on this class, your large screens. So when I save and refresh, and I go up to the next size, you'll see that all of the other H1s were hidden, and we only see small screens. You want to come up one size larger, you go to medium, and then one size even larger, which is the largest, is your large. So that's how the visible utility class works. It means that, again, your content will only be visible on the screen size that you choose here. Hidden works exactly the same way. Meaning if I were to hide part of my content, it would only be hidden on that screen size. So let's say for whatever reason I don't like, I don't like these 2 rows right here on a mobile screen. Maybe the content, it's not easy to read or understand, and I want to hide it. So what I'll do is I'll come over here, and I believe it's this one, and I'm just going to put the hidden dash extra small class, and I'll save it. And when I come over here and refresh, it's gone there. So now I'm only showing content that I think makes sense to be shown on a mobile screen. And when I go higher to small, like a tablet, or medium or large, it shows up. And that's basically how the responsive utility classes work. It's really important when you're designing an actual web page. I mean, this is just a bunch of squares. But let's say, for example, you have something like a really large slider that just doesn't look well on a mobile device, and then you can just add that hidden extra small class to it, or at least to that row containing that slider, and it'll be gone. And if you wanted to replace it with something else like a static image, well, then you can just put another row that says visible extra small, and then, you know, have your image there. And that's pretty much it for the grid classes. Some of the things we went over were the basic classes here. So your container class, your row, and then your column classes. And there are 4 sizes, and maybe I should point that out. There's, if you haven't figured it out by now, extra small, small, large, and well, I skipped one, medium. And you can order them only for medium and large screens though, with the push and pull prefixes. And you can offset them as well, again only for medium and large. And then you have your responsive utility classes, which we just went over, and it helps you hide and display stuff. Thanks for watching this little series on the grid system. Appreciate you taking the time. I'll be making a blog post to my website with all of this code available to either copy and paste or download, and you can find that at easydevtoots.com. You can follow me on Twitter at easydevtoots. You can find my Facebook page and like it there, facebook.com/easydevtoots. And if you have any trouble with anything, you can also message me and I'll help you out. If you have any complaints or comments about the video, I love feedback. And that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching, and look forward to doing more Bootstrap videos. Thanks.